Good afternoon. My name's Ian, and I have a question for you. What is a community without health? I want you to imagine a community with good schools, beautiful parks, clean, well-maintained roads. Sounds pretty nice, right? But what if I told you this community was plagued with illness? People being sick or at risk for being sick. Doesn't sound so nice. Is that a dynamic community? Is that a successful community? I think even in these divisive times, we can all agree that healthcare is vital to a vibrant community. We've seen that in the past 18 months. There have been a lot of lessons learned in the past 18 months through the pandemic. We're still learning lessons every day. There's been some bad news, certainly, but there's been a lot of good news, and there's been victories. And I think perhaps the foremost victory that we've seen is seeing organizations, healthcare providers joining forces, working together to provide those vital services to our residents and our communities. We've seen during COVID unusual partnerships that have been forged to ease the nursing shortages in our cities. We've seen people come together to increase testing opportunities, vaccination clinics. We've even seen homebound seniors receive hot, nutritious food through partnerships. And I'll tell you a little story about that. The first few months of the pandemic, I was the city manager of Somerton, Arizona. And we had a senior center that served about 50 seniors, breakfast and lunch every day. Obviously, we had to close the center during the pandemic, but we had a new employee who'd been with the city for 2 months, and she said, we need to do something to feed these seniors. So through her hard work and ingenuity, we created partnerships with volunteer organizations, hospice, the food bank. We incorporated other staff members, and we fed those seniors. We even had dispatchers call the seniors every day to check in and make sure they were going to make it through. I wish I could tell you that every one of those seniors made it through the pandemic, but they did not. I know without the ingenuity and hard work of this young woman, it could have been worse. So the heart of it is this: working together, we can make a difference and improve healthcare outcomes to make our communities vibrant and healthy. Thank you.